Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Roborock S5 Max. To do this, first you will need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the app, scroll down and select the delete device. Then click on OK and your device should be removed from the app. Now the next step for the factory reset is to grab your robot. And here you can find the buttons. There's a power button and home button. We need to click on those two buttons and hold them for a few seconds until we hear a voice prompt saying that the network have been resetted. And this basically marks the finish for factory reset on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.